Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Literally my friends, it took a lot of time to search the conducive place. Actually, I wanted to create my video in my village. And I'm little tired. And why? Because it took a lot of time to search the place. So finally I came here. This is so serene. Far and wide no one is here, only few farmers I can say, they are working in their field. So why I came here? Because people, they are playing music and they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra very loudly. Are you able to hear? I have come far away from my village. Still, their voice you can hear, right? So you can imagine if I try to make my video from my village, so I guess you people won't be able to listen what I am trying to say, right? So this is the thing. I want to ask you one thing. Do you know this crop name? How many of you know this crop name? I don't want to break, because if I break then it will be spoiled. So if you don't know, then let me tell you, this is wheat crop. I'm from UP, okay? So in UP in this season, we farmer grow wheat crop, okay? So it has already grown up. We will harvest it after 15 days maybe, or maybe after 10 days. Farmers, they will start harvesting. So this is the thing. So today I decided to share with you something important. Actually, many people, they think that I cannot speak English language. Why? Because I don't have higher degree. Do you also think like that? Stop thinking from today onwards, because it's a language, and any language doesn't require higher degree. You can learn if you have environment. You can speak if you have environment. You can speak this language if you practice enough. So you might be thinking, okay, I don't have environment, then how can I speak this language? I told you alternative. You should practice, okay? If you don't have environment, start practicing. And if you have environment, then talk to your family member, your friends. This is how you can speak this language, right? But if you think this language requires higher degree, then you are wrong, my friend, okay? Because I have seen many people, they may have never ever gone to any school, even they speak this language very fluently. And how did they do it? I guess they may have practiced a lot, or other reason, they may have got the environment, okay? So in your case, stop making excuses. Start practicing. If you have environment, everything is fine. You just have to little bit practice, or talk to your neighbor, your family member. This is how you can speak this language. But in case if you don't have environment, you have to take small steps. Small steps every single day, okay? Why I'm saying small steps? Because I've seen many people, they decide to learn English language, that okay, I'm gonna learn English language, and what they do? They start practicing for 4 hours in a day. And in a week, they feel tired. They feel it is taking so much time. I cannot manage my time. I cannot continue. And what they do finally? They stop learning this language. So don't do same. Practice every single day. If you don't have 1 hour, give 30 minutes. If you don't have 30 minutes, then give few minutes. I mean 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay? But don't make excuses. And I have seen many people, they say that she is brilliant, he is brilliant, that is why he or she can speak English language. But my friend, in this matter also you are wrong. We don't have to be brilliant, okay? So stop making excuses. Many people, they make excuses by saying these all things. But I hope from today onwards, you are not going to make these all excuses, okay? So this is what, actually, we don't fail because we are not brilliant. We fail because we are not consistent, because we are not disciplined. Who win? Those who are disciplined, those who are consistent. Okay, so this language needs consistency, and many people, they fail to be consistent, and that is why they are unable to speak this language. In our case, if we want to become a fluent English speaker, we need to be consistent. Every single day you have to practice. Okay, and I told you that you don't have to practice a lot, you don't have to learn a lot of vocabulary, you don't have to talk with 10 people in a day. No, you should practice with yourself first of all, then practice with your co-learners if it's possible. Don't put a lot of effort in initial days, otherwise you will feel tired. I mean, I'm not stopping you from putting effort. If you are willing, if you are interested and you can continue with the same amount of effort, then continue. But if you are the person who is going to say that, okay, now I'm tired, then my friend, don't do this kind of things. Take small steps and be consistent. One day you will be also speaking this language fluently. So this is what, my friend, if you have been making excuses, then stop from today onwards, because anyone from anywhere can speak this language. It doesn't require higher degree, it doesn't require brilliant mind, it requires consistent mind, okay, or consistent person. Okay, so this is the thing. It is too late, sun is about to set, and I can see birds, they are returning to their respective house. So I need to wrap up my video as soon as possible, because it is already too late. Okay, so this is what I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.